Here's the second set of exercises we want to show. So in the previous one, we lifted our chin up. In this one, we're going to begin by drawing our chin down and feeling and being aware of how our muscles and maybe even how our neck moves. We're going to do 3 rounds, the second round, and be aware, exhaling down on the third, be aware of is the neck able to just flow in kind of a straight line, or is it having to kind of maneuver to get down? And if it is, just maybe pause in those areas and work around. So we'll rotate our head to one side and we'll draw our chin down towards the chest and shoulder and gently come back up to neutral and then roll the head back to center. Again, we'll repeat that to the same side. Exhaling, inhaling, come back to center as we draw the shoulder and the neck, draw the head away from the shoulder back to center line. We'll do one more round to the right or to whichever side you started with. And lowering down and coming back. This isn't something you have to do every day, but it may become something you enjoy doing every day. But definitely, if there is a discomfort, we've changed to the other side, if I didn't mention that. This is our second round to the other side. It's something that you can begin to play with and incorporate in bringing, relaxation and freedom to muscles that may have a tendency or chronically be tight. So our third time to the opposite side, or to the left side if you started to the right. And back. Cool. We'll see you on the next video.